The word for today, it's not too late for you. In prison, Samson prayed, Lord, please strengthen me just one more time. Then Samson put his hands on the two center pillars that held up the temple. Pushing against them with both hands, the temple crashed down. So he killed more people when he died than he had during his entire lifetime. Judges 16:28-30. How did Samson end up in this prison? Delilah. The Bible says she pestered him daily. Judges 16:16. Satan is persistent, and he waits to catch you in an unguarded moment. That's why there are certain doors in life you should never open. If you feed the wrong appetite for a day, you can end up struggling with it for a lifetime. Perhaps you have seen the poster that says, every morning in Africa, a gazelle wakes up. It knows it must run faster than the fastest lion or it will be killed. Every morning, a lion wakes up. It knows it must outrun the slowest gazelle or it will starve to death. It doesn't matter whether you are a lion or a gazelle. When the sun comes up, you'd better be running. The good news is Samson remembered God. And it's a wonderful day when you remember God and reach for him again. Note the words, he killed more people when he died than he had during his entire lifetime. Judges 16:30. Samson's greatest victory was recorded in the final chapter of his life. In fact, he is named among the heroes of faith in Hebrews chapter 11. Regardless of where you are or what shape you're in, turn to God. He will help you make a comeback. It's not too late for you. That's the word for today.